whenever I make the statement that flashcards are not to be shown to the children, that time I invite a lot of criticism, more predominantly the negative criticism. People say that flashcards are so good to be used. Teaching gets facilitated. The child start correlating object to real object. I mean the picture to object relation, correlation, and child starts narrating about the things, about the flashcard and all. But what about emotions? Don't you think emotional development, emotional expressions, they are most important for successful speech outcomes? So people also asking me, if ma'am you are telling not to use the flashcards, तो क्या करें? बच्चे को सिखाए कैसे, कौन सा एड यूज करें? अब एक क्रिटिसिज्म मुझे आया था दैट मदर वाज टेलिंग दैट माय बेबी आई शोड द फ्लैश कार्ड ऑफ द डॉग, and when she saw the dog on the real dog on the road, she could recognize. Okay, that's the thing. But it is the only thing that we are going to do, recognition. I don't know, identification, I mean the detection, discrimination. These are steps involved in conventional therapies, which generally exhaust the parents. Okay, you think that we are giving simpler ways, simpler steps for understanding a particular concept, and you are separating it. So हर लेवल पे पेरेंट्स को या फिर थेरेपिस्ट को एग्जॉस्ट होना पड़ता है. डिटेक्शन हो, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो, आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन हो, ऑल द लेवल्स. लेकिन अगर ये सब कुछ अवॉइड कर सके हम, तो इफ यू कुड अवॉइड. अभी उसी मदर का हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. आई जस्ट टेक हर एग्जाम्पल दैट डॉग. Instead of using the flashcard of the dog, I'll just go and have this soft toy in my hand. Why only visual sense to be stimulated? You are using only visual sense for when you are using flashcard. You are using only visual sense to stimulate the child. But when I use these kind of soft toys, which I love, you can use not only a visual sense, but the touch, the smell, olfactory sense, the hearing, mama is talking about the toy, and so many things we can develop, especially the emotional expressions. So while showing this soft toy, okay, mother, show this soft toy to your child first. Let her feel that these are ears, these are eyes, button eyes. This is a nose, shonu nose, and this is the way he jumps. Okay, this is the way he runs, and I just love this doggy. But doggy is hungry, want to eat something. Work on emotions. Stimulate the emotions via stimulating the senses. My dear mothers, amazing results flow. Don't get trapped into this flashcard, sorting, matching, sequencing, puzzle solving. We don't want to create robots. So instead of giving that negative criticism to me, think rationally. This lady is so confidently talking about something. She must have done something. She must have proven something. और एक एग्जाम्पल में तो लास्ट में देकर ही जाऊंगी. पाइथागोरस ने पहली बार बताया दैट द अर्थ इज स्फेरिकल, पृथ्वी गोल है. उसके बाद एरिस्टोटल ने उसे और पक्का बनाया उस सिद्धांत को, दैट इन्वेंशन. Before Pythagoras, everyone was well aware that the earth is rectangle in shape, and that was the belief. But एक को तो आना ही पड़ता है ना, ऐसे सालों साल चले हुए बिलीफ को तोड़ने के लिए. शायद मुझे भेजा है उसी लिए. ओके, मैं खुद को पाइथागोरस और अरिस्टोटल नहीं समझती, पर मैं हूँ कुछ जिसने कुछ किया है और जिसने कुछ लाया है आपके सामने नया. स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इमोशंस. Okay, and see the difference.